Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we will explore some more Excel charts. Today we have Mr. Tex with us who will take us into the world of timelines. Because who doesn't love a good time traveling session with their data, right? So let's welcome Mr. Tex.
Hello there. Let's get rolling with our first type of time traveling tool, the Trendline chart. By plotting the data over time, trend charts can help users easily spot the patterns. Say you've got sales data from the last year and you want to see the ups and downs. A trend line is your go-to plot and it is really easy to make them in Excel. Just select the data and insert the line chart. Edit the data on horizontal axis. You've got a line showing you exactly where things are heading. Next up, let's talk about the timeline chart. This one's great for tracking milestones or key events. You'll find it super handy if you're managing a project or planning an event. Let's see how to make the first timeline chart. Jump into the Insert tab, hit Smart Art, and under Process, select Basic Timeline. Input your dates and events. And there you have it, a neat visual that tells your story at a glance. Alrighty, saving the best for last, the mighty Gantt chart. This is the powerhouse of project planning, letting you see who needs to do what and by when. It's a project manager's dream. Now, Excel doesn't have a built-in Gantt chart type, but we can work our way out. These are the two formats of Gantt charts which have been created in Excel. The video links for these are given in the description box below. Please check them out. And there you have it, 3 different ways to represent temporal data in Excel. Whether you are looking to spot trends, highlight key milestones, or plan out a project, these charts have got you covered. Catch you in the next one.